Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making braided sweet bread. I like making braided bread. It bakes beautifully down. When sliced, become a cute shape. So let's get started. In a large bowl, 140 gram of the milk, quarter teaspoon of the dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar of your choice. And mix well and set aside for a few minutes to activate your yeast. Crack 1 egg, 300 gram of the black flour, quarter teaspoon of the salt. Mix well until dough comes together and prepare 40 gram of the butter on the side. Put the dough out the working surface and knead the dough about 5 minutes. Add butter and knead until well combined. This dough was too sticky to knead by hand because the room temperature was high. If the dough is too sticky, it's better to fold it instead of kneading. It's like dropping dough on the table and fold it and repeat the same process 20 to 30 times. After that, sprinkle some flour on top and make round shape. Cover the dough, raise until double in size. It takes about 45 to 60 minutes. After first fermentation, sprinkle some flour on top. Insert your finger into the center of the dough. The dough remains in the shape of your finger without rebounding. It is the sign that fermentation is complete. Release the gas from the dough and massage it. Divide into the dough 2 portions. Let rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, flatten the dough into the rectangle and roll it up from the edge. Pinch the end of the roll to form a rope shape. Stretch the rope as long as possible. Now it's time to braid the dough. Place 2 ropes closed. Bring down the rope at 12 to 6 and close it. Then close the 2 ropes on the left. Bring the right rope to the center and close. After that, close left and right and all the way down. When you braid it all the way to the end, gather the dough together and tuck it in the back. Gently transfer to the baking sheet. Let the dough raise about 40 to 50 minutes. After 40 minutes, apply egg wash to the surface. Preheat the oven 180 Celsius. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then you get soft and fluffy, braided sweet bread. And tastes like Japanese sandwich bread. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!